Hi, this is Gino Quiroz, introducing to you today a brand new premium Divi child theme called Reese. Reese is a beautifully subtle layout that combines a classic feel with modern elements, perfect for photographers, wedding announcement sites, and anything that needs that softer touch. This is a collaboration effort between Leslie Bernal from A Girl and Her Mac Studios, also featured on a Divi Nation podcast with Nathan Weller and myself, of course. And together we decided to put together a project that had that wonderful, unique design aspect that Leslie provides. And with my background in packaging up child themes and making sure that they're easy to implement and use for the end user, we thought together we could put together something you guys will really like. And so without further ado, let me introduce you to the child theme, how to install it, and we'll get you going. So when you purchase the product, you will have received a download package, a zipped download package. And inside that download package are the files you'll need for this child theme, including the actual child theme itself located inside the download package. You'll also find a set of instructions. I encourage you to go through these instructions before you do anything else, and it will walk you through the files and what they're for, the plugins that you will need to download and activate before you get started. Once you've downloaded each of these plugins and activated them onto your WordPress website installation, we go ahead and move forward with this process, installing the themes. So without further ado, as we look at our blank slate, there's nothing on it yet. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to do is go to Themes and select Add New, Upload Theme, choose File, choose your Divi file, Install Now. It will then, in a few seconds, ask you to activate it. Let's go ahead and activate that child theme, or that Divi theme. Now we'll go ahead and add a new one, and that is going to be, we're going to upload our child theme, located in the download package, Reese 1.1. Let's go ahead and install that now. Great. Everything was looking good, so let's go ahead and hit activate. Great, there it is, installed. So now that we've got these set up, we're going to want to go ahead and install the page layouts. So we're going to go down here to Tools. We're going to go to Import. We're going to choose WordPress. Now I've already installed the WordPress Importer plugin. If you have not installed that plugin yet, you will be prompted with a screen that looks similar to this one right here in 6B, asking if you'd like to install it. You go ahead and click yes, but I've already installed it to save some time. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the file, and the file we're going to select here is going to be the layouts. Let's go ahead and select that, upload file and import. This usually takes a few seconds depending on the speed of your server. Here we're going to change the authors to yours. So we have a few different authors in here to give you an idea of when you're migrating a site. Change them all to your name, download and import file attachments, and select submit. And this process does tend to take several seconds here. So we're going to go ahead and wait for that. We want to make sure everything's good to go. It takes a few seconds. If you wanted to jump ahead while this is uploading, you can actually open up another tab. For example, our next step would normally be to go to the customizer settings. If you scroll down here a little bit, you'll see the next step is importing the customizer settings. So while this is importing, let's go ahead and go to Divi, Theme Customer, right click over it to open it in a new tab so you don't stop this process. You don't want to leave this page, but you can open up a new page. So we'll go over here to the customizer, and down here on the bottom you'll find export import. Go ahead and select on export import. Then you will choose file. And this is going to be the custom.dat file. Download and import image files. Select import. And that's brought in the customizer settings. So we can go ahead and close that screen up. Close that up. And now we get back to our page and it's imported. Everything imported correctly. So we're good to move on to the very next step. And that very next step is going to be to import the widget data. So over here we've already installed the plugin. So we're going to go to widget settings, import. And then we're going to select a file, and that would be widget data in your download package. Show widget settings. And we're going to tick all these boxes off. And make sure clear current widgets before import is selected, and select import widget settings. There we go. Imported successfully. Next we're going to do the Monarch settings. So here in the same tools folder we have Monarch settings. Go ahead and select on that. And then over here in the upper right hand corner we have the import export button. We're going to go down here to import Monarch settings. Select choose file. Select the Monarch settings.json file. Select import. And all done there. Okay, now we're going to go to set up the home page, and we're going to go down here to settings. We're going to go to reading. We're going to select a static page. We're going to choose our home page, and we're going to select save changes. Next we're going to go to permalinks, make sure our permalinks are set up. This is of course optional, but I choose to use post name on most occasions, but you can change it however you want. This will make sure the name of the post shows up instead of this page ID. Save changes. Next you want to make sure that the menu is set up as primary, so you go to appearance and then menus. And scroll down here. Make sure it's ticked off. It is ticked off, so just hit save as a double measure. Next you would go ahead and add your icons, your logo and your fave icon, which shows up like my little Q up on the top here. And to do that you would just go down here to Divi, theme options, and you're going to select upload image, and you can either drag it from your computer, or if it's already in the library like we have here, you would just select it, set as logo. And then down here on the bottom we have customized the back to top button, so go ahead and enable that so that you can get the full use of this product. Now, as you can see, we've taken a few minutes to get this all set up following these instructions. I can now go back to this, hit refresh, and there it is, fully functioning just like the demo in just a few minutes, with a nice scroll to top button, nice blog pages, fully customized, and with different options, different layouts that you can choose from, all saved as sections and modules in the Divi library. And you could even, if you wanted to see what it looks like in smaller devices, lovely. And so that's our new child theme. We really hope you enjoy it. Please take some time to check it out, our demo, explore it, and shoot us any feedback. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Thanks again for checking out our product. We hope you enjoy it, and we hope to get more out into your hands very soon. Thank you.